Guys, my name is Balak. I am one of the TAs for the course. Today we are going to be discussing the guide to Granola. This guide is also present on GitHub under the class repository. Granola is AI-driven notepad designed to help you navigate back-to-back meetings with ease. By combining manual notes with AI-enhanced transcripts, Granola ensures that every meeting results in well-organized, actionable summaries. Few key features of Granola are real-time transcription, AI-enhanced notes, customizable templates, GPT-4 integration, which not just takes notes, it works for your meeting after the meeting itself, and also helps you draft follow-up emails, summarize key objectives, generate action lists, and also answer your specific queries like what is the next step. Other feature is seamless sharing and privacy and security. There are different uses of Granola as we discussed for professional meetings, client interactions, team collaboration, freelancers for freelancing and consulting, for education as well. One way you can access this platform is by just simply searching Granola AI, and then you'll be headed to this website where you can simply download this app on your Mac or your PC. After you download this app, you'll be able to open this app. So you'll see something like this after you open the app. So this is how the app looks like. So basically what happens is whenever you have a meeting, Granola suggests to record it and take notes of it. So let's say, today I had a meeting. So I recorded it and took notes of it. So what it did for me is it took all the notes, it provided me the summary. Yeah, these are the enhanced notes. Apart from that, we can ask for listing action items. We can write up a follow-up email based on my notes, or we can list the question and answers. So as you can see, the questions asked by the TA in the meeting are presented here. So that's easier for us to, later on look at the notes and see how we can answer in the meeting next time. So it really helps in that case. Today, I'm just going to show you how it works. So let's say this is one of the recorded meetings that I have. So I'm just going to simply go back here, add a new note. Let's say today's meetings, today's data, which has meeting. And then I can simply start the transcript, right? So it has already started here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back and play this. So I'm going to keep playing this in the background, and then quickly we can see what notes would be appearing there. Okay, so this was the meeting that I had played, and it had, taken notes from whatever was playing in the background. So you're just going to see that right now. Right, so I'm just going to generate the notes based on what the speakers were speaking. So as you can see, the meeting context, the current progress. So I was giving the report on current progress. So these were the points that I was speaking in the meeting. Apart from that, next steps, blockers and questions and follow-up items. Right? So this is how it takes the notes and also gives you the summary in that case. Right? So you can see here again, you change the type of notes that you need here, the background, pain points, questions, budget or timeline if discussed any, right? Existing product demo. So let's say a person who's about to give a demo in a meeting, you can take notes based on the right questions that you should ask in the meeting later on, or the summary based on the topic. So there are different templates that you can select, right? So it gives you the right context in that sense. Apart from that, you can also share your notes by copying this link, or you can copy the text as well, or you can send an email or Slack someone. So it really helps, because many organizations use Slack. So you can quickly Slack someone the meeting notes that you took during that day. Or you can ask action items. So as I was discussing in the meeting that I am, working on a GAN model and trying to train it. So it sees that, the next steps that I need to take is to continue training the GAN model, complete the inference runs on the GAN model. So it really gives you an idea of how you should proceed, or, even when you're not present in the meeting, you can quickly take in the notes and then later on see what is the next thing that you should be working on, or do you need to write any follow-up email or something like that. So it really helps in that case. So I would say it's a great platform if you have a lot of meetings during the day. So yeah, I took notes for other meetings as well. So yeah, this was for my today's presentation meeting. This was the meeting that I had just played. Apart from that, you can also record your calls. So let's say you take a call on WhatsApp. You can simply switch on recording here with Granola, right? So you take a new note, let's say call it a WhatsApp call with, let's say, Alex, right? And then you can simply, take the notes in and then later on review whenever needed. So it helps with mostly all the platforms. So whenever you're on Gmeet or Zoom or even Microsoft Teams, it helps you to take the notes and also suggest during the meetings as well. So yeah, I think this is a really helpful platform in that sense. Apart from that, if you want, you can switch the accounts as well based on, let's say you have a work account, so you can take the notes in that particular account. Apart from that, help center settings, these are the common options that get. So this is how the platform looks like. And I think you should really give it a try. So this is a free trial for now, but I think later on for other advanced options, you need to upgrade. So yeah, you can check that out as well. I think that's it for today's meeting.